Okay, this is my STYLIO weekly, and it came with a weekly and monthly planner. So this is weekly, Sunday through Saturday, and then it has a little notes section. You can see we're scheduled on here, and then it also came with this monthly planner that we fill out. I wanted to show you how easy it is to wipe off. This comes in super handy if you have kids, if you don't have kids. I just like to write things down. It helps me remember if I can see it. I know that I can always use my phone, but writing things down and then crossing things off helps me to feel like I'm getting stuff done. So I really like these. We use them a lot. So monthly planner goes on one fridge, weekly planner goes on the other. It came with 4 markers. So yeah, awesome product. Super, super useful.